Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Pia Orleane. Did you know that ultimate healing is possible even in this time of extreme stress and environmental change? I'm offering a workshop on August 3rd and 4th on healing during the Ascension Process. In this workshop, we will cover so many symptoms that so many people are simultaneously experiencing. Remedies for these symptoms, including my top remedies for Transformational Times, light and sound medicine and how to use them, moving toward rainbow body, cleansing the outrageous environmental toxins we're experiencing, a must-have first aid remedy kit, attitudinal help, steps for healing and strengthening the body, dietary and supplemental guidance, how to stay in the higher frequencies that match the ascension process, moving beyond the physical, and we'll answer some existential questions that we are all facing. Join me and others who, like you, are wishing to heal through this ascension process. All information on me and my workshop can be found in the links below. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.